friends, welcome to Access Language School. So today we're going to have a session on OET speaking. So as you know that in speaking we will have only 20 minutes, 10 minutes for one role play and next 10 minutes for another role play. So total 20 minutes. So here we're going to have a session on a setting that is nursing agency. So as you all know that when you do your speaking, it's very important that you have to focus more on your settings. So here the setting is a nursing agency. So the question is like this: nurse, you are the head nurse talking to a daughter of the patient who is very old or who requires nursing service. So this is the question. So the task include: begin with the warm greeting, that is our first task. Second, try to know more about why patient's daughter is looking for the nursing service. So that's the second task. And the third one, try to know more about the patient and her health condition. That's the third task. Then the fourth one is that explain everything about the nursing service your agency offers. And the fifth task, explain to the patient's daughter what charges can be applied, etc. So these are the 5 important tasks for this question. Just remember, the setting is nursing agency. Okay? Then we are moving on to the speaking session. As you know that here the speaking will be consisting of about 5 minutes. Okay? That is 3 minutes for the preparation time. Then you will have to speak for 5 minutes. So how we are going to start this speaking? Okay, so it is like this. So a nurse, okay, you are the nurse and the examiner is the patient. So good morning ma'am, let me introduce myself. My name is Annie, one of the registered nurses, or you can just say head nurses working in this nursing agency. Before moving on further, how may I address you? Okay, then the daughter of the patient will reply, good morning nurse. Then my name is Andrea. Okay. Then nurse, you have to say, how may I help you? Then the daughter of the patient will say, well, my mother is a patient here in ward number 30. So you have to reply, okay, don't worry, we are here to help you. Your mother is in the safe hands. Okay. Then the daughter of the patient will ask you, I'm looking for some information related to nursing services. Then you have to say, please do let me know what you would like to know. Then the doctor of the patient will say, look nurse, I will, you have to say, I will, of course, look at you. Okay? So that should be the reply of yours. And be out of the city for about 10 to 15 days. I'm looking for some nursing care services. I was told that you can help me. Okay, so the nurse will, or you are going to say, certainly ma'am. Then the doctor of the patient, I want someone to look after my mother while I am away from here. Then the nurse, don't worry, your mother will get the care she needs. Then the daughter of the patient will reply, oh, thanks a lot. Then the nurse will say, I will contact the nursing agency and will confirm your appointment with. You can go there and fill out the details required. So the patient or the daughter of the patient will say, sure, I will. Then nurse, you have to say, you said 15 days, right? Then the daughter of the patient said, yes, 10 to 15 days. Okay? So this is how the speaking scenario goes on. Then you have to say to the patient that, okay, I'm rounding it off to 2 weeks. Well, it will be okay. Then the patient will say, yes, nurse. Then what the nurse will reply, by the way, what is your reason for moving out of the city? Then the patient or the daughter of the patient will say, see, I am a journalist, I have to attend a conference. There is a week conference in Sydney. Then the nurse have to say, or you have to say, oh, I understand. How old is your mother? Then you have to say, she is 67 years old. Then nurse, okay. Daughter of the patient, what will be the charges? Then the nurse will reply, or you have to reply, well, it will depend upon the care plan you select. There are half-day care plan, full-day care plan, hour-based care plans and so on. Then the doctor of the patient say, oh, thank you. And then you have to say, I'm going to fix your appointments with the agency. You will soon receive a phone number from them. you may have to go there to fill out the details and make the payment. Then the daughter of the patient have to say, thank you nurse. Then you have to say, do you have any concern? That's very important. That is, before ending of the speaking session, you have to ask the daughter of the patient, or even if the patient is present, you have to ask the patient or the daughter of the patient that do you have any concern. Then the daughter of the patient will say yes or no. If they are saying yes, you have to clear the doubts, and if it is no, then you have to say a conclusion. So far we have discussed regarding so and so conditions, or regarding your mother's home service or healthcare services provided, and I feel that you have understood what we have told till now, and thank you and have a nice day. Okay, so this is how we are going to end the speaking. So don't forget, this is a nursing agency setting. Okay, so I wish all of you have understood what we have told now. So thank you and have a great day.